Hello.
I got
What's that?
train.
Train railway.
Yeah.
Wow, there is a train. There is crane truck. There is truck. Yeah, so many vehicles.
Let's open it.
Open it. Unbox.
There's a tag. There's a dog tag.
Okay, can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will open for you. Okay, you open it.
Whoa.
Wow.
There's the engine.
Yeah, there is complete track, train collection, and also motorized steam train.
Wait, this.
You can build your world with your friends, Umar.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, the tracks so many. So many tracks here.
She got so many.
Wow, so many tracks.
For trees.
And there's also trees.
There's trees.
There's so many trees. There's a lot of trees and also building. There's building here.
And this is the
There's a
engine.
building.
That's the engine.
This is the locomotive for the train.
Yes, and this is the tender.
And this is the tender.
There's a car.
Man. Yeah, there's a car. It's a truck
Truck.
with the crane truck.
Miss, she's stuck. She's stuck there.
Where? There's also a this one also a crane.
A tree. What?
There's a trees. And also a crane. Crane also. So many crane. How many trees?
Tree.
Can you counting how many trees?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 trees. Okay, let's build.
Yeah.
Let's build the world.
Okay.
Game world. Okay, the track finish.
And but put the battery for this train.
Yeah, we need double A.
Yeah.
2 double A batteries.
Yeah.
Haha, very long track, Umar. Okay, you can arrange the trees where you want to put the trees, and also the building where you want to put the building. Okay, I will open this locomotive and I will put in the batteries.
Oh.
Stop!
Crash! Hurry up! Just step it. Wait. That's really crash.
Yeah! Stuck again.
She crash. That's crash. Kakapus. No need.
Not work. It's always stuck here.
Ah!
Good. Good. Very good. Yeah. Very long.
That's a Joya.
Long train. It's a long train. Hurry up. Oh my God, go.
He just
Go. He moved so slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's so many tender, and then stop. Okay, just go to only. Just go to only. Oh, hurry up, fix it. Yeah. No need again. Just the locomotive alone. Locomotive also fell down.
How about with the tender?
Just locomotive. No need tender?
No. Me.
Yes?
What's going to happen? You should request. The Velociraptor.
Hey, what happened with the Velociraptor? Why the body become Indominus Rex? And the raptor, the head is Indominus Rex. Oh no! It crashed! Oh, accident happened. Crash. The train crashed. The tender. The tender that's there is what? A crane truck on it. So the accident happened. And you fix it, the track. How are you doing? Come on, fix it. It's stuck.
Yeah.
It's stuck? Yeah. Why you put it there? Remove it. The train cannot move because there is something on the track, Umar.
What?
See? The stick. Yeah. So it cannot move. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, Umar, enjoy your toy and bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.
Wiping your hand. Bye bye.